To onboard the cloud account into the Prancer platform, you click on the Infra Wizard under the admin and select the cloud provider that you want to connect to. It could be Azure, AWS, Google, or Kubernetes clusters. And for each of these selections, we are asking you different questions related to the connection that we want to make to those providers. For example, let's start with the Azure. I put a collection name, and the collection name could be the name that better represent the cloud you're connecting to. For example, is it for a team connection, for a project? You can put a name here. For example, project ABC would be the name of the collection, and I select Azure Cloud, click on the next. It asks some questions related to the SPN, service principal name, that we want to connect to the cloud in a case of the Azure. For example, ask for the tenant ID. I will put the tenant ID here that I want to connect to. Service principal name, service principal ID, the secret to connect to the cloud. These are all the information that we need. We have two security modes. One is monitoring, just reviewing the resources, or monitor and remediate to be able to fix the problems. And also, if it's a scheduled run on a continuous compliance side, or is just one-time run, I can select. And based on this item, I can click on load subscriptions. Based on the access that we have on the Azure side, it loads all the subscriptions. For example, I have a Prancer Dev subscription, and that's it. If I click on the finish, it connects to the cloud, start reviewing the resources, the CSPM engine kicks in and provide you all the results of the misconfigurations and security concerns. You can see all the results in the infrastructure security findings page.